Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you cancel iTunes app subscription on iPad and iPhone. To do this, you have to follow the simple steps. So first of all, you want to open up the settings app and tap the Apple ID. And from the Apple ID section, you want to go to subscriptions. Now, if you use a different Apple ID for App Store purchase, select media and go to purchase and go to view account subscriptions as well. So after which, what you need to do is that you want to go ahead and wait until the settings app loads a list of active subscription related to your Apple ID and tap the subscription you want to cancel. Example, Apple Arcade. Now then you want to go ahead and tap on the cancel button or cancel subscription and tap confirm to go through with the cancellation. And this is how you'll be able to cancel iTunes app subscriptions. And the other way to do it so is that you could go ahead and open up settings, click on your Apple ID, come to subscription and select subscription that you want to cancel and tap cancel subscriptions. So that is basically how it's done. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.